Bonjour! Hello, my name is Sean Awesome, and welcome back to Will You Press the Button? So starting off here, you master a skill you've always wanted to excel at. No one finds your work of reference. Yeah. Woohoo! 64% of people are with me. You could change into the Postal Dude Postal series by running with scissors and have a full list of weapons, but you will be declared mentally unstable and everything would try to kill you. No, I'm happy with the way things are. Woohoo! 70% of people are with me. You achieve world domination. Everyone loves you, but you get herpes. Nah, I'm not scared of herpes or anything. It's that I'm afraid of being the world leader. Like, I wouldn't know where to begin with world domination. Okay, you can create anything you want, but you absolutely must understand every facet of how it works to make it right. Otherwise, it will be a monster. No. One of the big things about me is I don't know how nearly anything works. I just use it. And I don't want to create new things. You get all the power you ever desired, but you have to fight the skeleton from He-Man. You cannot win, you fool. Don't even try. No. I don't want all the power I ever desired. One of the main points of life is to constantly struggle with the level of power. Okay, You can control your dreams, but you will never wake. Who wrote these? It's awful. I don't wanna control my dreams. Wow, it's split 50-50. You can dance if you want to. You can leave your friends behind. 'Cause your friends don't dance, and if they don't dance, well, they're no friends of mine. Okay? You can dance if you want to. You can dance if you want to, but you have to leave your friends behind. This is funny. What the hell? I will dance. Be given a sack full of cash from your area and travel back in time for a week of shopping for super cheap goods and soon to be rare collectibles, but you will appear anywhere between 10 to 50 years ago. Any currency that should not yet exist at the time of your arrival will be replaced by poisonous spiders. You cannot examine the money before going back in time. No. I don't want a sack full of poisonous spiders. That would be awful. Your loved ones will never suffer another nightmare again, nor will any horrific things ever happen to them for the rest of their life. But you have to be the one that travels into their dreamland each night to vanquish those nightmares and bad vibes. And if you die in combat, you die for realsies. No. Oh, I'm in the minority. You can have any superpower, and every superpower you can want, but no matter what you do, everyone hates you because of it. I can live with that. Yeah, fucking A. Everyone is with me. While I'm in the majority. I'm in the majority. Okay, shut up, Sean. you get $1 million, but someone somewhere will die. I'm happy with what I have. You people are sadistic, but you're right. Clara Casal says that's what people do. No one can argue with that. You would be extremely gorgeous, but you would be sterile. No, I'm sorry, I want kids. Two people of your choosing can become immortal, but they will never have any romantic interest with each other, and so will be doomed to watch the ones they love die. I'm happy with the way things are, thank you. Ooh, another 50-50 one. You will get any car that you want on the market plus maintenance, but only you can sit in the car while driving, and it is the only car you ever own. Now, it doesn't say anything about riding with someone and having them drive, and then I can be in the car. So, loopholes, bitch. You can rid any physical or mental disorders from yourself or anyone you choose, but your most embarrassing moment will become a viral hit on YouTube, and no one will forget it. I would. Your laptop will never ever run out of battery, but you have to go for a 15-kilometer run every day. I would, although I don't like laptops, but you can be able to survive in any environment, i.e. extreme temperature, space, underwater, or etc. But you can only be naked. I honestly don't see a downside to that. I'd be naked right now if I could. So sure. Woohoo! 64% of people are with me. Be the first man on Mars, but never go back to Earth again. That's ludicrous. Mars isn't yet habitable. You can read and write and understand any and all languages, but you speak like Microsoft Sam, and anything you write is in Comic Sans. Sure. Yeah, why wouldn't you press a button? Okay, last one. You will create a constant Wi-Fi connection that works everywhere in the world, but it will malfunction at a random day and will work again 24 hours later. Yeah, honestly, who wouldn't do that? Okay, well, that's it for this episode. Don't forget to subscribe for more content. I do 2 videos a day, every day. I'm doing a new thing now where I'll try to get at least 1 video up on the weekends. Some days I will do commentaries on whatever the fuck pops into my head. On March 15th, that'll be the last day of my winter schedule, and then I will replace my commentaries with another type of video. I'm not sure what yet, but I'll let you know as we go along. Twitter, Instagram, and Tumblr are in the description. And as always, don't forget to, and as always, hit like if you liked it. Au revoir. Goodbye.